Cardano is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that has a current worth of 37 cents and a market capitalization of $13195329637. Digital currencies really have long passed the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which in a real sense is very huge these days. It's a resource class that for the most part is considerably directed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate in a genuinely enormous manner. Some for the most part huge speculation banks even gain Cardano and by and large other digital currencies as a group to in a real sense safeguard their resources under administration against the dashing expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the advancements on the ADA market that in every practical sense depend on the readings of our sort of special crypto unpredictability file that generally assists us with checking the market feeling and expect where in which the market plans to go. At this point, the cost of Cardano is 37 cents, while the coin as of now ends up at 7th spot in the genuinely by and large genuinely positioning. The said extremely positioning explicitly is assessed based on the resource's current value that is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients by and large get the most significant information with respect to the exhibition of computerized asset in their portfolios. It's likewise critical to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. On April 24th, the cost of Cardano was at 38 cents toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change really added up to 2.64%, which in a real sense is very critical. 7 days prior, on April 18th, ADA was esteemed at 43 cents, and that intends that from that point forward, the cost truly has generally varied by 0% in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on Walk 25, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at 35 cents. Hence, the coin has taken a 7.72% action to arrive at its current standings. Or so they sort of thought. This fundamentally specific truly metric explicitly is likewise used to check the predominance of Cardano corresponding to the remainder of the cryptographic money market. The progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation amazingly. To decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ADA, we in every practical sense duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will be basically made sense of later by the current worth of the cryptographic money under audit. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano in every practical sense remains at $13195329637, which shapes the reason for really present sort of positioning explicitly was referenced before amazingly. Yesterday, on April 24th, ADA in a real sense had a market capitalization of $13530750775 in an unobtrusive manner. Keep going week. On April 18th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to essentially was recorded at $15102078697 in a fundamentally significant manner. A month prior, on Walk 25, the market worth of Cardano was surveyed to basically be $12225945929. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that most certainly have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can essentially be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, which by and large is genuinely huge. This measurement additionally figures the coins that have been progressively gotten rid of through the interaction called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the genuinely complete stock of Cardano for the most part is laid out at 357112982298. In conclusion, the coursing supply in a real sense is utilized to truly compute the market capitalization and explicitly survey the coins ongoing remaining in the positions in a quite enormous way. It indicates the general measure of ADA that sort of is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that especially are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that fundamentally have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million explicitly are the most appropriate for long-haul venture since they explicitly are probably going to especially see the value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this point, Cardano has a flowing stock of 34799845252 coins. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the mark of $263,998,300. Yesterday, on April 24th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame truly remained at $238,516,930, or so they thought. 7 days prior, on April 18th, how much ADA that sort of was traded between market members truly was assessed at $467,654,940 in a significant manner. Presently basically comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the embodiment of the crypto instability list, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to predict the way that Cardano will especially follow over, especially next 1 to 5 years. 114 is the consequence of the fastidious work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with a truly exceptional equation for checking and envisioning the normal market unpredictability, and enhance it with the creative, genuinely profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to convey the best Cardano cost expectation in the business, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Tomorrow, on April 26th, Cardano will answer the exchanging action with a 14.52% move that will at last take the cost to the 32 cents level. In 7 days, the cost of Cardano will stir things up around town mark as the consequence of a 7.16% move, or so they thought. In 30 days, ADA will approach the 37 cents level inside a 1.02% cost change in a significant manner. In a half year, Cardano will for the most part wind up at 42 cents as the cost will move by 12.31% in a genuinely significant manner. In 1 year, the cost of the coin being referred to will move to 43 cents as an outcome of a 13.96% cost change. But 114 predicts that in 2 years, Cardano will lay out a traction at 80 cents after a 112.34% cost change, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In 3 years, ADA will show up at the $1.36 cost level in a 259.02% move, which is genuinely critical. In 4 years, merchants will see Cardano at $1.50, which is a 294.92% cost shift amazingly. In 5 years, ADA will be exchanged at $1.56 after taking a 310.91% action from its by and large current situation in an especially enormous manner. And digital currency markets offer most certainly various open doors for essentially benefit making through exchanging or long-haul speculation. However, it's important to by and large recollect that they are as yet going through the development stage. And that implies that we could observe fundamentally outrageous unpredictability and surprising cost swings on some random day. Notwithstanding, our Cardano cost expectation model considers every conceivable gamble and cost framing elements to guarantee that the figures certainly stay as exact as commonly conceivable considerably over the 5-year reasonably span in an all things considered huge way. We don't offer exhortation with respect to when to by and large enter the ADA market or how basically in every practical sense, cash flow to for the most part dedicate. You should truly do it at decently your genuinely own caution. The expectation gives the overall thought of the continuous improvements available and its course soon.